In this presentation I'm going to show how you can move files from Blackboard to Moodle and deposit them in Curve at the same time. This is what a typical Moodle course looks like when it's straight out the box. I need to switch to the Blackboard now to find the files. I've already navigated through my file manager to a particular folder called Ethics Approval Docs. Just move one folder's worth of files at a time. You get in all sorts of trouble if you try and move nested folders. Select all the files and zip the files. I'm going to zip these files to my computer and save the file. That's saved the file to my desktop. I can now switch back to Moodle and turn editing on and decide where I'm going to add the files. I'm going to add them into topic 1. I'm going to use Curve contribution and link. This will log me into Curve. I'm going to put them into the university in the My collection of the university collections. Add a title, ethics approval, add a description. It's a presentation and forms, some keywords. Its keyword is ethics, but we'll also want to put the module code here. Let's put 360 echo, and let's add the files now. There's the file on the desktop. Click to open, click to attach. The files are being uploaded now. Now it's the zip file that's been uploaded. It's been unzipped in the background, and we want to click on the choose file link and just drag it into view. We want all three of the files to be displayed, so we'll click on them and click OK. Scrolling down and down again. Here we can see that the files have been added. We could edit their file names if we wanted to. There's no need to. DRM is ignored if you're using Moodle. We'll click on Submit. Clicking on Submit will add the files into Curve, so they'll be in there for the future time. If you want to add these files to another module, clicking on Add will add these files to Moodle. Now we can decide whether we want to add just one of the files, so we can pick any one of the files, or add all three as a summary page. So that's what I'm going to do now. Click Add Summary to the course. It's adding the item, and there the summary page has been added. If we click to the home page now and turn editing off, we can see they've got a link now called Ethics Approval. When we click that, we get to the summary page. Those are all the files that are available, and the student, if they clicked on any one of them, it would open up with the appropriate one. That's the end of the presentation. Thanks for listening.